Chief Nebulsa.
Yes.
Chief.
How could he have told you this?
You see? Honey, you see? We have heard him.
I am not happy at all. I am rough at heart. Obinagbawam right now. Why wouldn't Doka say such a thing? Huh? Why wouldn't Doka come to me to tell me that I will not be the king? That man came to me and requested for some money to give to the elders. And we concluded that I will give him the money as soon as I come back from my pilgrimage. So why would you go about? And why would you come to tell me rubbish?
Chief Nebulsa, you can be made king, but when you have gone and you have no son, the throne can be taken away from you. The only thing you need to do now is that you and your family need to appear before the chief priest to confirm that.
Yeah.
Take it from me.
Maoli Iche Nebulsa.
Ofo,
Ichie,
you are here.
yeah, welcome. You're welcome.
Ndoka, please have your seat. I am happy you are here. Have your seat. Thank you very much. Now, Iche Ndoka, tell me exactly what you said on my behalf. Tell me exactly what you said on my behalf concerning me and the throne of Okigwe. Tell me.
Ichofo. So you did not tell him?
Tell him what? I asked you, Chienduka. Tell me what? Why do you want to mislead Chief Nebulsa? Because he has not been in the village. I want to take the advantage to put confusion in him. Is it fair?
Iche, that is not what I meant to.
So what do you mean?
Now explain to us what you mean. What do you mean?
Iche Nduka, tell us what you meant. Hey!
Papa, our plans have completely shattered.
I am telling you, my son. He has denied me of the opportunity to be his own.
Hi.
Huh?
Chai.
Yes. This is what Ofo cost me. Ofo? Hi! Ofo!
You have to go and beg the king, beg Uncle Nebulsa. Beg him, let him give you another chance. Eh? You have to beg him. Oh. If I had known, I would have added some sleeping pills in that in that alcohol, so that by the time she will sleep, I would have gotten this thing. Huh? Or if in case next time, add more alcohol to that your wine. Papa,
I thought you are sharp. Now the whole of my plans are shattered.
Papa, in that case, I have to withdraw whatever plan I have with Sarah. Because I don't want to lose everything, Papa. Those things I am gaining from her, I don't want to lose it all.
Hold on to Sarah. Those things you have been gaining from her, hold on to it so that you will continue to gain it.
don't lose it. But what I want you to do, look for another plan for her to get into trouble. Then she can as well die or go to prison. Papa, I have to endure. Let me reply. Papa, I have to reply. I want to reply.
You didn't go to sell your plantain again?
I instructed Udoka, my sister, to take them to the market and sell for me.
Oh, I see. I'm going to the shop.
Akuchi, there is something bothering me. I want us to discuss about it.
Here. Now?
Yes, now.
Here. Here. Eh? Because I'm going to the shop. And you know that the time I make large sales is early in the morning or in the evening. When people are coming back from work, early in the morning, I have to set those children going to school. Biko. When I come back, midnight, we'll discuss it. Biko.
Okay. I will wait till you return at night.
At night. I'm going.
Go well.
Thank you, Mama.
Chief Nebolisa, your family is not complete.
But my family is complete, yeah. This is my daughter and this is my wife. No, we are complete.
Google does not lie. Your people are not complete. That is what he tells me now.
No, I can't understand. No, I can't understand what is going on there. Why not explain things to him?
The eyes of the gods, the great chief priest of our land. This, they are complete. This is Nebolisa and his family.
I am. Huh?
Go home. Come back when you are complete. Go home. You have just few months.
My lord, how did your discussion go last night with your sister?
Hi baby, nothing, no.
I couldn't sleep. I was just thinking and praying that everything goes on well with you.
Nothing happened.
What do you mean nothing happened?
Immediately I mentioned her name, everything spoiled. I'm telling you, on the mention of her name, everything went wrong. If you do this one, she starts suspecting you. If you use force on her, she starts fighting you.
This is serious.
Just quick.
Auntie Akuchi, good morning.
Janet. So, I am Auntie Akuchi. Good morning. So, I am now your elder. As old as you are. You think that you are still a small girl. Auntie Akuchi, good morning.
Akuchi, what is this now? What is this? She's just giving you that respect as her husband's elder sister.
Oh, the very funny. Hi, husband. Okay. Yeah. Osita is not your husband. Osita has not paid any bride price on your head. So therefore, he's not your husband. As far as I am concerned, you're Osita's village girlfriend that has pancake. Read my lips. Osita's village girlfriend that has pancake. You have used love potion on me. Every minute. Osita. Osita.
Jim.
Osita.
I heard it too big, leave am.
Jim.
I'm out it too wide, leave am. Her neck it too long, but her leg it too short. Her she no big, leave am for me. I heard it too big, leave am. I'm out it too wide, leave am. long, her leg is too short. Hanya she no big, leave am for me. Her head is too big, leave am. Her mouth is too wide, leave am. Her leg is too long, her leg is...
Ofo, I said this before now, and you people will not listen to me. Now it has been said before him. Eh?
Well, Ichienduka, you are wrong. They are complete. Something must be wrong somewhere. We have to go now and find out from the bodies.
Wait. You and me,
yes,
Ndoka,
yes, of course.
Go to Nebolisa's house. Move down to his house there.
That's an issue now.
When I was telling him that he must have a son for him to be the king of Okigwe, he did not listen to me. When you are done finding out, you can call me. For me. And I'm...
Well, Ichie Ndoka, what is going on?
Yeah? You are asking me what is going on?
Yes.
What is going on? Who do I ask? Onyengaju. Anam. Whatever. Well, see one thing.
Obim, you know how much I love you. So you see the flower I brought for you.
I don't want to have anything to do with you and your family again.
But you know Akuchi, my sister, you know how she behaves. You know her too well.
She called me your village girlfriend. She said you can never marry me.
Oh, is it Akuchi that is going to marry you? Is it not me? I'm the one that is going to marry, not any member of my family.
She even said I'm a distraction to you. Is it true to you?
How can you be a distraction to me when you know that you're the light that shineth my path? Oh, baby. Doing? Oh, Toya bullshit. Let me beautify my angel. Oh my God.
You say she no fine, she too short, she no tall, she too old. I agree, but I like her so. She go break in my heart.
What do you call this one? Eh?
Ndilo, my enemies are at work. My enemies won't allow me to have that which the gods have kept for me. Hey!
Dad, Mom, you both have to do something, no? Because me, I have to be the princess. I don't want anybody to laugh at me if this does not work, oh.
No, my princess, no. Zara, you must be the princess of this land, whether they like it or not. Own them. No? Don't worry yourself.
Okay, you and Dad should figure it out. Me, I'm off to school.
Don't you think we should try again? Are you sure Ndoka did not bribe the chief priest?
Or could he be telling me the truth? Or is it because of the issue of male child?
It's a lie. Just leave it to me. Let me handle this. I will get to the root of this matter. I don't trust that man. You see that Ndoka man? I don't trust him.
For candle and salt.
Izuna, 170. Milk, Milo, sugar. Hey, come, Zube, come.
Auntie.
Eh? Zube.
Auntie.
Where are you going?
I'm going home.
Thank God. Tell Izuna to bring my money for me. He said he's coming. Yeah, he has not come till now.
Auntie, he's coming now.
There's nothing coming now. Tell him this is not a charity organization. Everything you see here, when I go to Onitsha to buy, even egg, they collect money from me. Because tell him to bring my money, 170.
I will tell you, I've read.
I am so happy today. See, I told them, but they wouldn't listen to me. Now it has happened.
But Papa, you were lying. But how come it now turned out to be the truth? Yes.
Do I know? You and I knows that Nebolisa's family is complete. For the oracle to reject the family, it is only for the male child issue.
Yes.
Yes. Papa, because the former king doesn't have a son that warranted Chief Uncle Nebolisana to become the next person. Papa, you're right too. Hey. It's because of the male issue. Papa, you are too much.
My children, see, don't worry. Our plans will still work. They will all come here to beg me. Me, they will come to beg me. And that time, money will flow.
Hey, Papa!
Your pocket, money will be there.
Your
back to me, money will be there.
I will have a cash, eh?
Yes.
No, that one, Zara will go.
And you will give it to me. Nekosi.
Janet, go and bring water for me to wash my hands.
Okay, I'm about to bring it. It seems you're very hungry, Papa.
I am very hungry.
Okay.
Very, very hungry. Why are you here so early?
I've come here to collect my money from you.
Papa, what money is she talking about and how much?
My daughter, please, go. I will personally get the money from Mazu Demesu for you today.
Mazi, that was not our agreement. That day I saw you and him, I would have collected my money from him. But you stood like Ojuku, the slimmer version without beers. And then you said I should let him go, that you will give me the money. Now you're saying I should give me my 150. Give me my 150.
I don't have the money left. I swear by my legs, I will go to his place and get the money for you. Please.
Once you bring the money, you can come and collect your soup. My shop is not charity. It's not charity. If you just say one thing there, I will slap you until you cannot see anymore. Akushi, Mazi.
Hey. Akushi. Papa, what is the meaning of this now? What money is she talking about?
Mazu is owing her. She met us on the road the other day and heard Mazu. And I promised I will get the money for her.
Hey!
Please, give me another food from the house.
Papa, there's no other soup in the house. I made just a little to last us for today. You can now wash your hand.
Hey! Mazu.
Imagine the kind of meat this man is using to eat in his house.
Akuchi, what is wrong with you? Hi. Have you started running mad?
Call it anything you like. Ichebeko is a very wicked man. He's a very wicked man. He's owing me some money. Look at the piece of meat this man put in the soup he's using to eat in his house. Look at the piece of meat. Hey, I seized it. And I will not give it back to him until he pays me. Akuchi. In fact, for now, this soup is sour and I threw it away. Yes.
Akuchi, you're very funny. So you mean you seized the man's plate of soup because he's owing you? What if he has another soup in his house? What will you do?
I don't care. He should use that one. All I know is anywhere I see him, he must give me back my money. He must pay me that money. The credit in this village is too much. It's too much now.
Anyway, I'm just coming from your shop. I want to buy something.
I hope you have money. Eh? Because the credit is too much now.
Akuchi, I have money. I have money.
One. Where are you going?
To your shop.
I'm not going to my shop yet. I'm going to the house. I'm holding somebody's soup in my hand. Hey. Oh, you have money to pay for what you're doing?
I have money.
Come on, go. I don't know where you're going.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Akushi insulted me today because of you, Janet.
How is it because of me? What have I done? Am I the one owing her?
Janet, if you had respected yourself and stayed away from her younger brother, she wouldn't have been here to robustly insult me this morning. So you are the cause.
Papa, tell her. Tell her again.
Be careful with me, oh. Papa, warn her. Warn her. Don't involve yourself in this matter. How is it my fault? Eh? How is it my fault? Anyway, Papa, if you want food, let her get you some.
Uzamaka, can you see? Can you see your sister?
Papa, leave her. I know her. I will take care of you. Leave her. She has no shame. What a shameful word.
I blame Mazi too. I blame Mazi. Hey! Mazi.
Akuchi, your brother Osita is not getting younger anymore. Since he had decided to go back to Onitsha to start up keke business, he said okay, his friend told him that Okada riding has been banned. So he want to go back to Onitsha and start up this keke business.
Alright, you should go now. You should go with my leg. You should go anywhere he wants to go to. It's even better for him.
He said he needs 500,000 naira to buy keke.
500. 500. Ha. That is a lot of money, Mama. 500,000 naira. Where does he think he will get that money from? Ha.
Akoche, this is your younger brother we are talking about. Please, if it warrant you to lend him the money, please do. Come on.
I don't have that kind of money. He owes the 500,000 naira. So I can go and squander with that useless gear. They will use all that money to buy pancake. How?
Akuchi, please help him out. I don't like the way he's perambulating in this village. In any occasion, you will see him drinking, wasting his life.
What do you want me to do?
I'm getting tired of all this now. Help him. Look for the 500,000. Give him. Pick on him, ma'am.
Where do you want to look for the 500,000 I give to you? She give us the 500,000 to go and squander with that useless girl that does not have any respect. Osita and Janet will use all that 500,000 naira to buy pancake. I should look for 500,000 naira. Where should I look for it? Because even if you cut my throat now, I will not believe 500,000 naira. If they use me for money rituals now, I don't think what this head can bring will be up to 500,000 naira. Yeah. Keke is now more expensive than human beings. Hey! Hey!
Will you not offer me a drink?
Mama, go home. Let's see later.
Give me Martina now.
I cannot give you Martina, Mama. You want to sit down and eat my gain? How? You just sit down and you eat my gain. Factory, 120. Here, 130. 10 naira gain. You sit down, you eat it like that. I don't know, Mama.
Akuchi, you are too stingy. Hey! That's very, very stingy. Hey! Give me Martina and take it.
Ibe, my friend.
Don't just try to praise me this morning.
What happened? Why is your face like in Siamanaja?
Oh, it is good you know I am not smiling this morning.
No, you are not smiling.
I did not eat well this morning. Akoshi went away with my plate of soup.
Your soup? What? How can she carry your soup? Is it pot of soup or a spoon of soup?
Akoshi came to my house this morning. She met me about to eat. She bent down and took the plate of soup and went away.
What is wrong with her? Why? Why would she do that?
Do you know who sent her?
No, who sent her? Whoever that sent her deserves to be flogged. Yes.
Very good.
Ude, you are the person that sent her. Me?
You sent her.
I have not seen Akuchi for some time. As a matter of fact, I've been dodging her. You know, I have not paid her her money. So I've been dodging her. I know I don't want her to see me.
Very good.
Yes.
Here you are. Now you have come to my point. You have come to my point. You have not paid her the 150 naira. She came to my house because of that 150 naira and went my plate of soup.
Why are you owing her?
Were you not owing her? I stood shorty for you that if you don't pay her, I will pay her. She came to for my food. Now give me the money. If you don't give me the money now, let me go and pay her. I will, straight from here, I will go to her house. Whatever I see in your kitchen as food, I will go away with it.
No, Ibe, don't talk like that. Don't talk like that. I will pay her her money now. It's not you I'm paying. I will pay her. The thing is that, come, let's go to my house. There is food enough in my house. I'll give you food. My family will give you food and you eat.
Your family has enough food in the house to give me.
Yes.
But your family cannot give you 150 naira to pay her. Go and bring the money. Let me go and pay her.
I'm not saying I have food. It's money I don't have in my house. I'll give you food.
You have
let's
food.
Go
you don't
first.
have money.
Let's go. Let's go.
I will go with you to your house, not to eat food, but to collect the money. Have your food. Let's go.
Okay, let's go first. Let's go first. You are disturbing me from going to where I'm going now.
You don't have to go. I need the money.
Mama, when you asked her, what did she say?
She said she doesn't have such money.
Lies. It's a lie. Akuchi has that money, but she doesn't want to give it to me.
I know. She may be afraid that you will not pay her back. But the only thing is that we will keep trying and pray that God touch her heart.
Mama, I don't have that time. When is God going to touch her heart to give me this money? I don't have that time. I have something to do.
So what do you want to do now?
Maybe I will look for another alternative.
What alternative?
I don't know yet.
Honestly, Chief, I don't know what else to do. I have made all the necessary investigation I needed to make. Yet, I didn't see any reason.
Ichofo, don't trust Ndoka. I know he must have given something to the chief priest. Go and confirm this claim. You'll find out that I am telling the truth.
No. Not the chief priest of Yob. No one bribes him.
Then where does the problem come from? Where does the problem come from? My wife and I could not sleep last night. Because, where does this problem come from? No, I want to know. Who have I offended?
Chief Noel, sir, you have nothing to worry. We should continue praying. Pray? Yes, of course.
My friendship. Are you just coming?
I showed you yesterday.
How are you?
Are you not going to work?
No, I'm off today and tomorrow.
Joy. I think that these bad boys tried to rob me from my shop yesterday. Last night here.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
Very sure. I'm more than sure. Because when I came, I noticed their footprints. And then my padlock seemed tampered with. Hi.
Akuchi, you don't listen to my instructions. I told you, I remember telling you that you should pay monthly dues to these vigilante people. But you refused. They would have been watching your shop.
Do you have any other advice? Because I will not pay vigilante levy.
It's not just levy. You make them your friends. So that anytime they come, they will stay here and be watching at your shop. Nobody will near here.
Okay. Do you have any other advice? Because I don't have one naira I'm going to give to vigilante people. I think I know what to do. Because the vigilante themselves, they are the criminals.
Akuchi. Akuchi, try and open your hand. Try it.
Do you have any other advice for me? Because they are trying to steal from my shop.
I want to drink Coke. Please give me Coke. No, I'm not opening your hand. Give me Coke.
Papa, you didn't tell me you are going out.
As who? Road safety or what? Anyway, I am going to Mazu this place. I want to make sure he pays Akoshi the money he is owing her.
Okay.
You saw what she did to me when she came here.
I did.
Only God knows what she will do if she comes here again.
Okay. Okay, Papa.
Anyhow she be, na me the love am, na so I like am. Leave am for me, leave am for me. Anyhow she be, na me the love am, na so I like am. Leave am for me.
Baby, he has gone. This one you're here this early morning. Hope there's no problem.
Akuchi, my sister, has refused to give me the money.
Hey, this is not good though.
You know, sometimes I wonder if she's truly my blood sister. She's so heartless and wicked.
Akuchi, 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 everywhere. She was here yesterday.
To do what? I hope she's not
She took the food my father was about eating simply because he is owing her 150 naira.
What? Just because of 150 naira?
I'm telling you, my father slept on an empty stomach.
Hey.
My dear, I wonder how I will cope if I eventually marry you without your sister.
Come on, why must you say that, baby? I am the one that is going to marry you. I will protect you from her madness. All her madness.
Are you sure?
Of course not.
Do you have tea tomato? Yes, one of 250. It's 280 now.
It is 250 everywhere. Why your own different?
Maybe it has been long you bought it. Tin tomato is 280 now.
Things are very expensive.
Hey, yeah, I don't have strength to argue. In fact, I don't have tin tomato. I don't have tin tomato for sale.
Give me little.
I don't even have. Are you the one that will tell me how much I will sell my tin tomato? I'll say your things are too expensive. Your things are too expensive. Are you the one that followed me to Onitsha when I went to buy the goods? I'll say it's 250, your things are expensive. It's 250, 280 everywhere. I'm not selling.
Come now, come.
I said I'm not selling. I don't have.
Sorry. My friend, please give me mineral. I want to just go and eat the bread and akara in my house.
I hope you have money.
See, my brother, let me tell you. Do you know there are at times in a day I make up to 10,000 naira in Dikeh business at Onitsha? Not in the village. See, my brother, let me tell you, there is money in it.
Okay, see. Okay, business. Hey, okay, see, tell me what to do now. Okay, do I go for higher purchase? The time is going. I don't have time anymore. I need to start doing something.
See, let me tell you, I'm not the Coco. Hey, Ogushi digging now, you want to really get money. See, let me tell you, I don't advise you to go for higher purchase. Yes. See, I'm telling you from my out experience. I have experienced a lot of things at times. You end up spending the whole day, the whole money for the week in mechanic. See, let me tell you, it's better you look for another solution.
Okay, see, advise me on what to do. How do I raise this 500,000 naira to buy keke? Okay. Advise me on what to do. Look at you now. You're doing well for yourself. And then again, look at you.
And I need your progress too. You see? Okay, see. Okay, see, let me tell you. As for my own, I took one step.
Okay.
Yes.
Which is?
Do you know that our land opposite Ubago's compound?
Okay.
Yes, I sold it. Yes. That is the one I use it for my keke business. Boom, 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 boom. Thank you. Weekly. You know? Hi, you'll be contributing. From there, you'll be spending all this daily contribution. They'll come, you spend. You know? Yes.
There's a lot of land in my father's place now. We have a lot of land. The idea just high. Okay, sir. Thank you for this idea. Thank you for this idea.
Just step one. You put on 10,000 daily times 30 or 31 days.
Okay.
I'm playing with me. I hope you pay for it too.
Friendship. Must I always have money before you give me something?
I like you. I wish that my useless brother or sister would marry a girl like you.
Hey, are you sure? See, sister is not bad at all.
I knew you had eyes, my brother. Hey, that's what he needs. A serious working class person, somebody that is working. Not that stupid, useless. Oh God, eh? She doesn't have any shame. Because she's even older than Osita. Way older than him.
This is the drugs he asked for.
You see? Free drugs. I cannot even remember the last time I used my money to buy drugs. You see.
Akuchi, you like free thing, eh?
Who doesn't? Eh? You see, I like you very much because you give. That stupid Janet. All she does is take. Eh? And she's way older than my brother. She's just shameless. Very shameless. How much is the drug?
It's 150.
150? Even 100 naira. Okay.
Give me.
Hi, Mama. Mama, I have decided to sell that land at the entrance of the village. Since Akuchi does not want to help me, I cannot be waiting and be wasting time.
It's not a bad decision. Not at all. We have plenty lands. And you selling one out of it, I don't see it as a bad thing.
Hi. My mom.
It's a good one.
My mom. Thank you very much. You're just the best. You always supporting me. Thank you very much.
I will talk to Mazi Okora about it.
Okay.
This he will help us get buyers faster. He will help us.
But Mama, please, let this be a secret between you and I. I don't want Akuchi to know about it at all.
Mbano.
You know how she behaves.
Mbano.
She will never support it.
That's true.
Biko.
So I won't tell her. Never.
Mama, see, if there's anything in this life like a reincarnation, Ibi Wazo, I always want you to be my mother. Yeah, we'll give them a mom. Yeah, we'll give them a mom. Ma talking more. I didn't all getting me now.
You must promise me one thing.
gonna be hard. Tell me.
You will promise me that you will not waste that money on that stupid lady called Janet. Janet is older than you.
Oh, Mama, what is this?
I don't know what to say now.
What is this, eh? What has Janet got to do with this? Take her out of this matter, please. Eh? Please.
She's older than you.
Mama, age is nothing but a number. That lady is a good person. Get to know her, come close to her. Get to know her, you love her.
Chukwajo, God forbid. I will never accept her. She's older than you.
Agadi ibem. Papa that's mu yan wam. Chukwajo.
Here.
Down.
When I check on a Janet and I'll go number. I get my baby kinabong one way in chain.
For me, anyhow she be. Let me the love am na so I like am. Leave am for me. Leave am for me. Anyhow she be. Let me the love am na so I like am.
Campus girl. So you can actually walk on the road like this. And please, where is your baby girl and her car? I need a spot and no money to repair it.
Ogo, don't think you have won. And thank your God you finally paid that money. If not, you know what would have happened to you now. You know me.
When you're talking, mind what you say. Because, you know she's not here. I can beat you red and white now. I'm not happy with you. Look at you. See that small girl that's young enough to be your younger sister. You're following her like fly as offices. Just because you two are from the same village.
Ogo, don't speak more. Else you will have it hot with me. You will have it hot with me, Ogo.
I want to have it hot with you here.
Leave my way.
I want to have it hot with you here.
Ogo.
Talk, let me scatter you here.
Ogo, leave my way.
I want to beat you. I want us to arrange it here now.
You want to fight,
Yes.
I will come back for you. I'm not ready to fight. I come back for you, Ogo. You know me now. You know, I am not ready for you. I will go and get ready and come back for you.
Yes. No, let's do it now.
Oh, you know me. I will come back for you.
She's your strength. No, stand and fight now.
Come here and fight. Look at you. I am here. Come and fight me, Ogo.
Okay, I'm coming.
Come and fight. Come and fight me, Ogo. Can you fight me? Come and fight.
Hey! Ego, I will meet you again. On this same street, I will meet you. Hey! No problem, I'll meet you again. Here!
Mama, Osita is not at home.
Where did he go to? He asked me to come. Let me wait for him.
Come up. Go back. Go back. Don't you have shame at all? Janet, you mean you have no shame? Okay, let's say you have eaten dog nose. That you have no shame again. Are you also blind? Don't you see that the Osita you are fooling about is not your mate? What kind of bad luck are you? I thought you were friends with Akuchi, my daughter. Now that both of you are no longer friends, stay away from Osita and my family. Keep away from him. He's not your mate. Go! Go home.
Mama!
Go home.
You're a bad luck.
Mama! What is it now? What is it? Why are you talking to my wife like to be like this?
She will never be your wife. She will never. Osita, listen. You see this face? You see this old woman? You see this pancake that she used and plaster all the whole rough and gallop area in her face? She's not my child, oh.
Mama.
She's an old woman. Forget about this pancake you are seeing on her face.
That pancake.
I got the couple.
Mama, leave that pancake for me. It's the sweetest part of it. Happen me to her. Let's go, Biko.
Come here, Kwame.
Mama.
Come here.
Leave it.
Which
leave
house?
That for me, please.
This house. Look at how you look like.
Mama, you won't now.
You won't. Go home. I said go home.
Mama, what is it now?
Go home. Go.
Why are you sounding like this?
Why will I not sound like this?
Why will I not sound like that to you? Listen, Ndoka. If you are the one that bribed the chief priest to behave like that at the shrine, or you know anything that manipulated that man to do what he did, you better stop it. Stop it, Maka. You know very well, and I know you know, that my family is complete. Why must you allow such a thing to happen at the shrine? Huh?
Nebolisa, do you see the way I am looking at you? I am ready to take the insult, but I am ready right now to swear with my future grave. What you are talking about, I don't even know. What I know, I told you. But Ofo countered it. You believed him. You believed him. Let me also tell you this. I am not ready to be part of your future cabinet. I am not ready.
Ichendoka, please. It has not come to that. It has not come to that.
It has.
No, it has not. Listen, we are rubbing minds together like men that have like minds. Yes. As you can see, I just wanted to salvage that opportunity that I have to become the king of this kingdom. No more, no less. Because as you can see, my head is breaking on Akoa. In fact, on Akoa now. Please, just understand, please.
I have done that. Nebolisa, go and find a son. Go and get a son. I am ready to do anything to help you, so that you will be the king of Okigwe. I am ready. Listen, there are countless women out there with male children in their womb, that have male children in their womb. Indicate interest. I will arrange one for you. Few months, you will have male children or male child.
Yes. Son, come here. Come bring everything.
So you want to rob me now?
Bring everything.
So you want to rob me?
Bring the money. Bring.
Okay, Nikiri. Okay, Nikiri. Oh,
Come to bed. We will find the root of this whole thing. We still have time. Oh, let's go to bed. It's getting late.
I think I have been so nice enough. I am now ready to do whatever it will take to be sure that I do not lose this opportunity. Honey, get yourself ready by a weekend. We shall travel together.
To where? To where?
Wherever we will find solution to this puzzle. Yes.
Me, I'm ready. I am ready to do anything that will give us solution to this whole puzzle. I am ready. Willing to do anything. Meanwhile, let's go to bed first.
Those bad boys tried to rob me today. My legs are paining. If you see the way they think they are smart. I showed them that I am smarter. Even they themselves that are thieves, they are afraid. They are also afraid.
Akuchi,
How can you take this kind of risk? You know you're a woman. Because of money, you want to die? Those boys are the evil boys we have in this village. Though. Be very careful.
Sister, you have to take it easy. Because you needed to come back with that money, that was why you took risk. What did they shot you?
Oh.
Eh? Because of money.
Oh, man, tell yourself to start married. Huh? How will you collect money for your school? Money's have to come back. I will not give them my money. In fact, I'm going to plan for them. Yes, you will plan for them. I am going to plan for them. They think they are smart. I will show them that money is very hard to come back. And even if they will take every other person's money, it's not my money.
Hi! Even thieves are afraid.
The person you are looking for is not around. She traveled to her village.
Fuck off. You know my village, right? I know the village, but I don't know her house. Don't worry. By the time we get there, we'll ask. See, I will kill that girl. Hi.
Nothing more.
That one says she will kill her.
She can't do anything. No,
please let her not break my head.
They cannot do anything.
No matter how hard you try to hide the truth, one day it will show.
You need to. Because of that useless boy, Osita, I have to do the needful. And if he meets me coming here every day, I will come here every day. Nobody will buy any land from me.
Ogochukwu. Mama. If you keep visiting home like this, I wonder how you will learn.
Mama, don't I pass my exams? Anytime I miss you, I have to come back here to see you.
Now again, anytime you miss me, you would like to come back every day. It does not be long you went back. I know why I'm saying no. Because anytime your legs step into this house, all I keep hearing from you is money, money, money. I don't have money to be spending. I don't have. And you know your sister. You know Akuchi, your sister, she's a very stingy woman. She would not like to give you a dime again.
Mama, forget about my sister. Okay. When I was coming back, I passed through her shop. She was not there. I thought she'd be at home. Don't worry. When I want anything from her, I know how to get it.
We are going to the kitchen to see food.
Is that chicken?
I want to eat the chicken there. If you come home with chicken.
Come on, I want chicken.
Sorry.
What kind of rubbish is this? Are you blind? Sorry. Are you blind?
Sorry.
Sorry for what?
Ozugo, so I did not see that you were coming. Sorry. I'm very sorry.
Sorry for what? Ego, she said she's sorry. Calm down.
Nonsense.
Malcha, I'm very sorry. Well, I did not know your car was coming.
It's okay, no problem.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Did you have a cold drink?
Hey, Malcha, I have drinks, but it's not cold.
Can you imagine? You don't even have cold drinks. For these village people. Ah!
Are you from the city?
What kind of stupid question is that?
I don't like this. I don't like it.
Malcha, thank you.
Thank you.
Take it. Oh, you are very beautiful and you are very respectful.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Let's go. Dancer.
Who are you calling a village girl? Eh? Eh? Or is that a way to show me that you are sitting in front of car? Me, village girl. Are you insulting me? My friend, shut up.
Babe, it's okay. No. Sorry, so sorry about that. Don't be offended. Please, you're looking for Ogo Okori. Do you know her compound?
Okay, Ogo. Just take your left, you will see their compound.
Oh, thank you. God bless you. Please, let me give you something.
Sorry, thank you, You can give it to this bush baby.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I don't like this. I don't like it one bit. Is that how you talk to people? Eh? Ego, if you see poor people, you pity them. You're also poor. You know I'm doing this because of you. I don't like your attitude at all. I will just drop you here now and leave you and go.
No, Zara. I'm sorry. I'm just angry with Ogo villagers. I'm sorry.
Okay, see the way you spoke to that auntie. Would have asked her, but your attitude spoiled everything. I don't like this. Seriously, I don't.
I'm sorry.
I don't like this. I don't like it. Better behave yourself.
You can insult me and go free, right? You think you can insult me and go free? Idiot. I'm ready for you today. What's your problem?
Beat her. Come on, beat her very well.
Yeah, who do you want to beat?
Beat her.
Who do you want to beat? What is going on here? What do you want to beat? What do you want to beat? What do you want to beat? Eh? What do you want to beat? Auntie Akushi, what is it? Some people are in your compound though. They are fighting your sister.
Fighting my sister? Do I know who that one has gone to insult again? Eh?
Auntie, they are beating your mother too. They are pounding on her.
They are beating my mother. That is the one I will not take.
So let me come and tell you.
Yeah. Nzube, stay here for me. I am coming. Okay. Beating my mother. Don't take anything here. And don't eat anything. Did you hear me?
Okay.
If I go and come back and you add weight, I'll calculate everything again.
And to go, they are beating your mother.
Yes, now. And this is my mother.
What is going on here? What is this? Eh? What is
My way.
And you? Who are you?
Ask what happened first before you look for who to.
How can they come in here and fight anyone? Even push Mama down?
So you think you can come here and hide, Abi? I will show you today. You don't know me, oh. You don't know me. Hey,
oh, you're still talking?
It's her.
Eh?
Mugu.
Only
Can
God
you
knows
imagine
what you have done.
Eh? What is going on? What is the problem? Oh my God.
Sorry, I didn't know she's your sister.
It's okay. I know you will not want me to kneel down and beg you, man.
Yes, kneel down. Kneel down.
Come on, shut up.
Are you still talking?
Only
Can you
God knows
imagine
what you have done. Eh?
My waist, oh.
Sorry.
My waist.
Get up. Can you imagine?
Just go. It's okay. It's okay. You should go.
Eh? Go where? They are not going anywhere. They are not going anywhere. Go there. They are not going anywhere. Come here. They are not going anywhere.
It's okay. Let's go. It's okay.
Okay. You are going, eh? Let me see.
I'll come back for you.
Let me see if you pay again.
You will pay for this. You will pay for this. You beg me.
Take your bata about and get out from this place.
Got back from school. I said, Emma was for showing me during our fellowship and I ran away from there. I knew you were up to something. What have you done now? Because I know that girl.
My waist,
Mama is a very quiet girl. She does not like trouble.
Sir, you don't know her. You're looking at her because of where she is. That girl is a devil. After she goes all around the school causing trouble.
I met that girl today. She came to my store and she bought Coke. The Coke was not cold and she did not complain. That's to show you that she's a good person that does not like trouble. I like her.
Akuchi surprised me, oh. So you are taking sides with strangers instead of your own sister. Eh? Child.
Now that we have that they are not fighting, am I taking side?
Hey.
Just saying the girl is a good girl.
Hey.
It's okay.
Mama, go and boil water and give Mama water.
My leg. I'm sorry.
Get Mama to my leg. Get all you want.
Zara, what is it? Why are you so cold?
I don't know why I feel this way about that auntie. The moment I saw her, I just had this feeling for her.
Wait. So this is how we'll forgive Uncle after everything, Zara?
Well, yes. As far as that auntie is her sister, we'll let her go.
Are you serious?
I don't understand you sometimes. Is it like you don't have pity on poor people or what? Eh? Hi. Nico. I never knew Ogo was from such a very poor background.
So? Did you see her sister? See what she's suffering?
Anyway, like I said, I have to let her be.
If I had known that they were that poor, or maybe if I had known that that lady was her sister,
I would not have followed you in the first place.
Sarah, what has come over you? What is going on?
Mama, I told you. Akuchi, that your daughter is very, very wicked. Very wicked. Why is she wicked and Ambaka? Eh? Have you seen it? Have you seen how she handled this matter and left just like that? Just because this girl came to her shop to buy something. Eh, Mama? She said it here now.
I will not take this. I will not take this from Zara and Ego. They should not worry. They will see the real fight when I get back to school. They should just wait.
I don't have anything to tell Akuchi for now. So if those girls had killed you, this is what she would have said, right? Because they are her customers. No wonder you ran
You run like a trailer. You speed. Don't worry. Don't worry. She can come back.
Very wicked. Eh? Mama, when you were small, were you wicked?
I don't know. I wasn't.
Come on, this wickedness. Why can't I forget him?
I didn't go. I wasn't told.
Very wicked something.
Auntie, we have gone. I saw them just pass.
Yes. Hi! This world is a very small world. This world is a very small place. I'm telling you. Do you know when they were passing, I made an error? They ended up buying something for me. I did not even know they were going to my house.
I was the one that directed them to your house.
Hey, Auntie.
Hope you beat her very well. Why? Auntie, someone that pushed your mother down. You didn't beat her.
Is it your mother that pushed on the ground? Huh? Is she you? Was you her? Is you there? Huh? Zupeba, thank you for staying. Come and go.
At least you would have beat her very
well. Let me search you.
Auntie, you want to search me? I didn't take anything.
I know, I just want to search you.
Auntie, I didn't take anything.
Come and climb on top of scale. And how many sweets you have?
I was just sitting here. I didn't take anything. If I had cola, I would give her. Auntie, you sending me away?
No. It's just that your parents don't know you are here. Very soon they'll start looking for you everywhere. They'll be worried. That's why I'm asking. Even I don't want you to go.
Okay, I'll go in the afternoon.
She'll go in the afternoon. Ebia, Akusi, Oshaka.
I'm very